right? Hey. How's it going, you guys? This is Simply Joe. I'm chilling here with Aaron in How To's by Bros. We're gonna be doing a step-by-step tutorial on the floss dance. Super easy, super easy. All right. First thing that we're gonna get into is kind of the motion. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be swinging your hips left and right, and then your hands are gonna be going in the opposite direction. Yeah, in the opposite direction of where your hips are swaying. So, this is the first step. And this is the easiest part. Now the hardest part is once we start to floss our hands while we're doing the sway back and forth. And all you have to remember is that it's right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, 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 right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3. Super simple, super simple. You know what I'm saying? Super easy. Remember, this is the hardest part, but once you master the motion of just going back and forth, opposite hands, opposite to your hips. You know what I'm saying? Your hands are opposite to your hips. Back and forth. And then you floss right, then left. Right, then left. That was the video on how to floss, you guys. Go ahead and check the link in the description. That'll give you my channel. And make sure that you guys subscribe to Aaron and How To's by Bros. And we'll go ahead and give you guys some more tutorials soon. See you guys later.